Hello.
Yes.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am. We are continuing with the same topic, that is probability,
Chance
chance
probability.
and
Chance and
probability.
probability.
Can you tell me what is meant by probability?
Probability is
The
the measurement
measure
of
of occurrence
uncertainty.
Measurement
or
of
uncertainty.
uncertainty. Okay. And I have told you what is the formula for that, for measuring. Can you say Gopiga, Parvati, Amrita? Huh? What is that formula given?
Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes.
Very good. Number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes, isn't it? That is the probability for probability. That is the formula for probability. Okay. Now we can. Now I'll give you some questions. We can. You have to answer it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. These are some questions from your text. Huh? So just see how we can answer it. Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen, but not certain. What is it? Some are certain to happen. Some are very sure we can have. It will happen. Some are uncertain. That means it's not sure whether it will happen or not. Some are impossible, that we can say that it will not happen. Then some are sure that we can say it will happen. Okay. So you have to just classify that, say about these, whether it is possible or impossible or uncertain. Okay. Will it write? Okay. You are older today than yesterday. You are older today than yesterday. What is it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Ma'am, are you writing in the board something?
Not writing, I'm just marked it. You couldn't hear, you couldn't see?
No, ma'am. You're writing something.
No, I'm not.
I.
Wait.
I
Wait, I'm not writing anything. I'll just put this down. You can't see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the board, no?
yes, ma'am.
You see? Somewhere it went. Okay, wait. I'll take it once more. Can you see the board properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen, but not certain. You are older than yesterday. Is that statement possible, impossible? That means sure or impossible or not certain. Not sure. That's it. Three things are there. So can you tell me what is it? Sure or impossible? Or not sure? Not that means in between. Not certain. What is it? You are older today than yesterday. Sure, isn't it? Huh? Sure, because you are older than yesterday. Today you are older than yesterday. But day by day you are growing up. You are increasing by your age. Okay. So it is a sure event, and probability of a sure event is equal to probability of a sure event. Sure event is equal to 1. What is the probability? 1. Okay. Probability of a sure event is 1. Now, Where is it going? Now, the next one. Next one. A tossed coin will land heads up.
Can happen but not certain.
May happen, but not certain.
Certain.
Okay.
Sure.
A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. A
Not
die
certain.
tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Is it true or not? Sure or
Impossible.
uncertain or impossible?
Impossible.
It is impossible because a die have only numbers up
Only
to 6
six
on
are-
its faces, isn't it? Numbers only up to 6 are there. So this answer is impossible, right? It is impossible. Okay. So the probability of an impossible event is 0. Probability of an impossible event is 0. Look at this. So probability of an impossible event is 0.
0.
I'll tell. Can you read if this is the size?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
I can move.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
I can move this to one side. What is the problem with this? If I touch that, it is gone. Down. Okay. See. Look. Now, what did I say? The probability of an
impossible event.
probability
Of
of an
impossible event.
impossible event
Is
impossible event is equal to 0.
0. 0.
0. Okay, or you can write 0. Probability of an impossible event, the event you are sure that it will not happen. Okay, no. So the probability will be 0.
0.
Okay, if you are sure about the happening of that event, then the probability will be 1. So always probability will be between 1 and 0. Okay, probability of any event, probability of an event which is sure will be 1. Probability of an event which is not possible or impossible is 0.
0.
So the probability of uncertain events, that means the events come in between. Uncertain means it's not sure whether it is possible or impossible, isn't it? That probability will
1 by
be
2.
between
1
1
and
and
0.
0. It is not always 1 by 2.
Half.
It is between 1
1
and
and 0.
0. Any number between 1 and 0. You know there a lot of numbers are there between 1 and 0. Half, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. So many numbers are there between 1 and 0. So when you get the probability, it will be always an improper fraction or proper fraction. Check. What is it? What do you mean by proper fraction and improper fraction?
Proper fraction numerator is smaller than the denominator.
So if it is less than 1, and between 0, what about the fraction? If you are writing in a fraction form, what will be that?
Proper
fraction.
It will be always a proper fraction, isn't it? It will never be an improper fraction because it will be a fraction
1 and
is always a proper fraction. If you get an improper fraction, it will go beyond 1, isn't it? Okay, so the fraction, if you are writing the probability, always probability is written in a fraction form, and if you are writing, it will go as it will be a proper fraction. Okay, understood why I told proper fraction? Always numerator will be less than the denominator
Yeah.
in the case of probability, because always probability lies between 1 and 0.
Zero.
The value, keep it in your mind. Okay. Always probability will be between 1 and 0. Of
Zero.
any event, probability will be between 1 and 0.
Zero.
The value of the number. Now, next question. Next one. Next one. Next one, you see. Next to traffic light will be seen will be green. Next to traffic light seen will be green. Is it
May
certain?
happen, but not certain.
It is
May happen, but not certain.
Not certain. Not certain. Okay. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Tomorrow will be a cloudy day.
Can happen but not certain.
Not certain, isn't it? It's not certain. Okay. Now, next question. You see, next question. 1 minute. Correct. Okay, next one. Next question, you see. Okay, next question. There are 6 marbles in a box with the numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. There are 6 marbles in a box. Okay, how many marbles? 6 marbles. are
6
there.
marbles.
With numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. On each of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is marked. Okay. That means there are 6 marbles. Each one have one number between 1 and 6. Sometimes it may be 2 or 5 or 6 or 4, like that. Between 1 and 6. Not between 1 and 6, including 1 and 6. Okay. So what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2?
1 by 2.
1 by 6.
1 by 6, because look at this. How many marbles are there? 6 marbles are there. Okay. So there are 6 possibilities. Isn't it? Total outcome, if you see that you are taking a marble from that, it is 1 out of 6, any number. Okay. Sometimes you may get 5 when you take. Sometimes you may get 3 when you take. What is the probability of getting 2? Only once,
1
no?
by 6.
So, 1 time out of 6. Did you understand the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
One possibility only for 2. For getting the number 2 out of 6. Because you can take only 1 time. You can take only 1 time. That time any number can come. The possibility is only 1 by 6. Next one. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5?
1 by 6.
1 by 6. 1 by 6 itself. Good. Okay. Now, this third question, you see, a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, because only 2 possibilities, no, either head or tail. So,
Tail.
probability will be 1 by 2. Okay. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, I'll pass on to the next. Next one.
അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ നോക്കിയപ്പോ ഒന്നും കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല പിന്നെ റിയലത്തോട് കാണാൻ പറ്റിയത് ഇപ്പൊ കാണാൻ പറ്റും.
Who is it? Huh? Switch off the speakers. Okay, next question. Next question you can see on the board. What is the probability that a student chosen, I take this, if I take that, it will go somewhere. Okay. What is the probability that a student chosen at random out of 3 girls, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the probability that a student chosen at random out of 3 girls and 4 boys is a boy? Just check. What is
1
it?
by 4.
Huh? Listen. I'll show you. What is the probability that a student chosen at random out of 3 girls and 4 boys is a boy? That means
4 by 7.
how many boys are there? Only 4 boys, isn't it? So what is the, so you are mixing the girls and boys together and you are choosing one random, okay? One, any one you can choose from that. What is the probability that it will be a boy? 4 out of how much? Total. 4 out of
7.
7.
Seven.
Because total number is 7.
7.
Okay. Yeah, that is what is written. What is it? Total number is 7. So, what is happening there? Switch off the speakers, all of you. Total possible outcomes 3 plus 4, 7. Required probability, number of favorable outcomes divided by total possible outcomes. Okay. So, answer is 4 out of 7 possibilities. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
7 possibilities. Like this you have to answer. If a question comes, you have to think and answer in probability. There is no shortcut. Always you have to think and answer. This one is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
we'll pass on to the next one. Probability, any question is there? First we'll finish with probability. After that we can come back to median. Okay, this is a problem with probability. Following card are put facing down. Following cards are put facing down. Okay, down. What is the chance of drawing out a vowel? What is the chance of drawing out a vowel? Can you see the board? Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Following card are put facing down. What is the chance of drawing out a vowel? Vowel. You know what is vowel?
Yes, ma'am.
A-E-I-O-U. Isn't it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the chance of drawing out a vowel? What is the chance?
Ma'am, 1.
1. Why?
And
Because
because
everything
5.
is a vowel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, A, E, I, O, U, everything is a vowel. So we can 5 by
5.
total 5. So it is 1. It is sure. That means it is sure. Probability is sure. Probability. It is a sure event. So probability is 1. Because whatever you take from that, it will be a vowel. Okay. Next one. A or I. A or I.
2 by 5.
2 by 5.
2 by 5. 2 by
2 by 5. Okay. Your answer is 2 by 5. Okay. Next one. Next question is a card marked U.
1 by
1 by 5.
5. Okay.
1 by 5.
A consonant.
0.
Consonant.
0.
What is it?
0.
0.
0. Okay. So we'll check the answers. We'll check the answers. Just see. Okay. Listen. Pen. Take the pen. Yeah. So what is the probability? Total outcomes? 5. Total outcomes is 5. Probability means number of favorable outcomes divided by
Total number of outcomes.
outcomes. Isn't it? Okay. So what is the probability of drawing a vowel? 5 by 5. 1.
5 by 5.
1.
Equal to 1.
Clear, children? All of you? It is
Yes.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Probability of drawing A or I.
2
2 by 5.
2 by
2
5.
by 5.
5.
Probability of drawing a card marked U.
1 by
1 by 5.
1 by 5.
Favorable outcomes. 0, no?
Zero by
Consonant.
5.
Required probability.
0.
What is it? 0. 0 by 5. 0.
Zero.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next question. I don't think it is a question from, yeah, this one did we do? No. Next question. This is next one. A container has 5 red and 9 black balls. What is it? 5 red. A container has 5 red
And 9 black ball.
Ball is put out at random. Find the, yes,
And we have to add.
find the theoretical probability of getting a red ball. What to do?
14, 5 by 14.
Yes, total
plus
balls
nine,
we'll
5
find
plus
out.
9.
Total balls 14. Out of that, when we take out a ball, any one of these can come out, no? So total possible outcomes is 14, right?
14.
Total possible outcome 14. Now, number of outcomes favoring red ball. How much? It is
5.
5 by 14.
5 by 14.
5 by 14.
So, see how it is written? Answer P of red ball. That is 5 out of
5 by
5 by 14. Number of outcomes favoring black ball.
9 by
5 by
14.
9 by 14.
9 by 14.
9 by 14.
14.
Okay. Same thing you have to learn in 8th standard, 9th standard and even 10th standard. Clear? Same type, same problems. Nothing else is there more. This is the basic and same thing, almost the same thing you have to learn in even in 10th standard. So this is probability. Now we'll pass on to the next topic. What is it? Yeah, this question. Before that, one more question was there. Okay. Check this question. This one. This question. How much? What is the time for your class? 4:10?
20.
4:20.
Yes.
3:40, no?
Yes.
340. 40 to 420.
3:40 to
420.
420.
4:20. Okay. So we have 10 more minutes. You can do this problem. Find the median of given data. What is it? Median. We want to find the median of the given data. If the mean is 4.5. See, check how it is done. You cannot do like that. You have to know, you should know how to do. It is a question. It's not there in your text. It is some little bit high order thinking question. Find the median. You know how to find the median of a data, no? What is meant by median of a data?
The middlemost
Middlemost value. Okay,
Middle
middlemost value. If you get two middlemost value, that is, if the total number is an even number, what to do?
We want to take the
Middle. Ah, okay.
two
You have to
numbers.
take middle two numbers and add and divide by 2.
Add and
Isn't it?
divide by 2.
So, median. You are asked to find the median of the given data. If the mean is 4.5 and the data is given like this. See the numbers. What is the mean given? 4.5. So the data is like this 5, 7, 7, 8, x. This number is not given. 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. We are asked to find the arithmetic mean is given. We are asked to find the median. So given that mean is 4.5. Now you know what is mean. Mean is equal to number of favorable outcomes. Oh, it's wrong. This is not that. Mean is equal to, what is it? Total. Correct. It is correct, but don't use this. Favorable outcomes we don't use. We can write mean is equal to
total
observations by number of observations, isn't it? Total of observations by total number of observations. That is the meaning. So that means, see, we are adding all the observations. 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus x plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2. Add and divide by number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. By 10. Number of numbers. When you add, you will get all the numbers you add, you will get 42. Huh? Isn't it? 24. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 10. You will get 24 plus 4, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 plus 3, you will get. What is, just add it once more. Oh, sorry, 10. 14 plus 10. It is 24
21,
plus
3, 6,
7 plus 3, 10, correct. So what do you get? 32, no?
37.
No. Check once more. 5, see, 7 plus 7, 14. 5 plus 5, 10. 14 plus 10, 24. 24 plus 7, 24. 20, this is 7. 24 you got. 7 plus 3, 10. 24 plus 10, 34. Isn't it?
34 plus x.
Okay. So you'll get 34 plus x. We will do it in the board. That's better. Okay, here itself we can do. It is 34 plus x we will get. Divide
7.
By 10.
by 10.
10.
We'll divide
Equals
by.
to 3.7.
So what will you get?
3.7.
So when you, wait. So 3.4, answer is what is given answer? 4.5. Okay, answer is given. See 34 plus x divided by 10. What is the answer given? 4.5.
5.
5.
4.5 is already given. That's what I have written. Okay. What is it? Mean. This mean is given already. I'll explain once more. Mean is already given there. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Once more I'll explain. That will be better. I want to take down the data. I just zoom it out. In. Zoom in. We will do it on the board. That will be better. Okay, look, find the median of the following data. The mean is given, so mean is given here. Arithmetic mean is given 4.5. Okay, 4.5 is given. Now, what is arithmetic mean? We have to add all the observations and divide by number of observations. So we are adding all this observation. 5 plus 7 plus 7, 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus x plus 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2, isn't it? So we have, and then divide by total 10. So what we are getting? We are getting 14. Oh, this, I think here there is a mistake. This is a mistake. Here they have not added 8. That's what the correction came. Okay. When it was printed here, that 8 is left out. So maybe this answer is correct. That 8 is not there. So you add it. What will you get? 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 10, 24. 24 plus 8. Isn't, sorry. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. 36 plus 3, 39. Then 40, 41, 42. Correct. So 42 plus x you will get divided by 10. Isn't it? Clear that?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, not clear. See,
No.
the mistake was here, it was that 8 was not added. One, see, I'll remove it. Then it is clear to you. That's just why. See, I'll clear it. Reset. Look here, this one, when it was taken here, printed here, that this 8 was not taken. Okay, answer is correct, printed and answer is correct. This 8 is not taken here. That's why when we added, that answer we didn't get. This 8 is not written there. So here, when you add this data, you will get 42. Clear? Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This data when you add, you are getting, just add the data, you will get 42 plus this x by 10. Clear? What is it equal to? It is equal to mean, 4.5.
4.5.
4.5 mean. So what to do? Here,
So
42 plus
10.
x is equal to 4.5 into 10. Isn't it?
Yes. So we get 45.
Did you understand this step?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
step?
Yes, ma'am.
Because something divided by, suppose if it is 10 by 5, 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Then what is 10? 10 is equal to 2 into 5, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So same way, 10 into 4.5 will come.
5.
Eraser. Select. Okay. Now we'll check the answers. We'll see the answer. What is it? Now see 4.5. So what is the next one? 42 plus x will be equal to 4.5 into 10. So 42 plus x is equal to 45. You know,
45.
to remove the decimal place, no, it will
Yes.
move to the right side.
Right.
4.5 into
45.
10, 45.
Yes.
So what is x? X is equal to
45 minus 42
minus
equals to
Minus
3.
42.
answer 3.
Three.
X is
3.
equal to 3. You got. X is equal to 3 you got. That is
Yes, ma'am.
the missing
Right.
number you got. Isn't it?
Yes.
You got the missing number. Now what to do? You are asked to find what? Median. You are asked to find the median.
Median.
Isn't it? Where it gone? Yeah. See, you are asked to find the median. Now, let me erase the strokes, then only you can see this data.
4.
1 minute, 1 minute. Stroke eraser.
I need to come.
Yeah. Listen. It has, I have to explain that. Okay. Now, arranging the data in ascending. Now, what to do? X is equal to 3 you got, isn't it? Now, we have to find the question, find the median. We have to find the median of the data. Now we will arrange the data in ascending order. We got x is equal to 3, okay. So instead of x it is 3. Now arrange the whole data, we arrange in ascending order. We will get it like this, isn't it? So what is the median? Can you tell me what is the median of the data?
Ma'am, 4.5 itself.
4.5 because 1, 2, 3, 4 here, this side, then 1, 2, 3, 4 here, this side, 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10. This is an even number, no? So even number of data. So middle values you have to take, add and divide by 2. So 4 plus 5 by
Ma'am, but x is
9 by 2. X is there, 3.
x is 3 na.
Ah.
Okay, got it.
3 that you wrote here.
Ascending order.
Ascending order when you wrote that 3 here.
Yes.
Instead of x, this 3 we have written here 2 times. See,
1, 2,
this is
3.
1, 3, this is the other 3. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 9 by 2, we'll get 4.5. So median is also 3.5. Median is also 4.5. Mean is also 4.5.
4.5.
Okay, it's a question which is not there in your text. It is a high order thinking question. As your chapter finished, I have taken it. Okay, children. So I think it's time to leave.
Bye,
Now,
ma'am.
bye. Did you understand?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See you later.
you,
Bye,
Class
children.
was wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye. See you
Bye, ma'am.
later.
See
Thank
you.
you.